rising high, a sun-kissed tower.
Harley, we took them out.
Selecting a new target.
Gonna hang out.
I expected you'd have objections to my terraforming operations. Nevertheless, I am on a schedule. Be warned against further interruptions. They must be dug in, like this Earth's cockroach.
Aw, you're so polite. Kill shark.
That hit the spot.
Harshen my swing drone.
Cruising back up.
Printing stories to astound. This planet makes the news go round. Go round.
Terran signature found.
Watch me, not the wire.
Area's clear.
Successful extraction, Task Force X. Let's see more of that.
Drone, work with me here.
Hello, Metropolis. Lois Lane here. We've all witnessed the Suicide Squad's coordinated attacks on Brainiac's war machine. New phase of the Resistance. I was able to make contact with the representative for the Joint Chiefs Council coordinating with armed forces here in the city. Without divulging the specifics of plans or tactics, I've been told that Resistance forces here will be targeting Brainiac's war machine. This will mean more large-scale combat around the Metropolis. To yourself. My contact also wanted the citizens of Metropolis to know that the world hasn't forgotten. Brainiac's blockade still holds. And we're going to take it out for them. For now, stay safe, Metropolis.
Ooh, say hello to the new me. Like the old me, but more deadly and surprising.
Here is my punchline, Harley Quinn.
Drone ain't pulling my weight.
Task Force X, you just volunteered for pest control. Head to the location I just sent over and clear it out. We need those bugs 86.
Hear that? That's the empowering feminist anthem of my internal soundtrack starting. Ooh, let me at 'em.
All surviving units, do not let the
Half the
female
wax
fowl
goon
take you
spot in
away.
this crystal. Yep, I'm a role model to dangerous youth.
shield and the armor, Task Force X. An advanced display of tool use.
Crystals are fixing themselves up good as new. Rude!
Harley Quinn. All units, you rank.
Limited time offer. Murderize this incubator.
Every invasion has its sticking points. At least I've identified them now.
Brainiac has tanked Batman's stocks. This place still proves that money talks. Money talks.
Come on, drone. Crime's a wasting.
Good pace clearing out those incubators. Even hit my cardio goals. Shoot you down. Laying down fire! Your savagery inspires me, Harley.